Telegraph Infrastructure Safety Rules 2022. Recently, the Department of Telecommunication under the Ministry of Communication has formulated the Indian Telegraph Safety Rules 2022. The central government has eventually fulfilling the communication needs of the citizens and enterprises through establishment of a resilient, secure, accessible, and affordable digital communication infrastructure and services. Under the rules, any person who wishes to exercise a legal right to dig or excavate any property which is likely to cause damage to the telegraph infrastructure must give a notice to the licensee. The person digging or excavating shall take appropriate action on precautionary measures provided by the licensee. Any person who has dug or excavated any property causing damage to the telegraph infrastructure will be liable to pay the damage charges to the telegraph authority. Once the asset owner agencies map their underlying assets with GIS coordination on PM Gati Shakti National Master Plan platform, it will also be possible to know the presence of underlying utility assets at the point of interest before the start of excavation. And its advantages are many utilities can be saved from unwanted cuts and wasteful costs towards the restoration, thus saving thousands of crores of businesses, associated tax loss to government, inconvenience cost to citizens because of frequent breakdown may be reduced due to better synergy between the agencies.